untethered no matter how much, yet willing. Our steps always wander in search of ways that would bring to us what we call the inner peace, carrying away the worries, yet filling ourselves with the need of something to say. Each of us tries to share and express pain, dilemma, problems, sufferings, wishing that if only someone understands someday. But with every thought that consumes our minds, and that every emotion and feeling that fills up our hearts throughout the day, are we not too replete to attain inner peace? For the beauty resides in observing, accepting, and above all, believing. So why don't you pay attention and listen? The nature conveys to us the equanimity we seek. It has ways so gay that we are introduced to another level of enticement. So I say, why don't you listen and experience what nature has to tell and lay in its lap, feel the tranquil acid it has, and be grateful for the light bestowing upon us by the grace of God. Because every ray of sunshine is what transpires the dark to escape the gloom and materialize, to rise, to shine, and to live.